Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Emrat Tech with you. Today I'm gonna show you one Redmi life hack which is gonna blow your mind. What I'm trying to say is when you turn on your face unlock and you try to unlock with your face, so you can see it's gonna stay like this. In order to open your phone, you should just swipe up in order to open it, right? But what if I tell you that you could open it without swiping down? Interested? Watch video till then because it's gonna be very interesting. Let's get to it. First, in order to do that, you should go to settings and then scroll down and you're gonna see passwords and security. You open it and then you go to face unlock. Just enter your pattern. After that, as you can see, there is stay unlocked screen after unlocking. You should just turn it off just like that. So now let's check. So you can see, try to open it with my Face ID and it opens automatically. Let's check one more time. So you can see it works perfectly. So I shouldn't swipe up in order to open it, to unlock it, all right? I know many of you would say this is old, but guys, believe me, there are many people that they still do not know about this. If this video was useful, please subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and follow for more. Peace.